magical people. So today we're going to talk about Stitch Fix. This is my third box from them, and so far out of the three I've gotten, this is the most successful box. Out of the previous two, I've actually only bought the jeans. The first ones were regular full-length jeans, the second ones were floods. I am 5'8", so usually floods just look like I'm trying something weird on my calf, and I don't really like them, but these ones actually fit and were really comfortable. But everything else I didn't keep. A lot of it was, sorry, cat. A lot of it was florals, and then I got a couple of accessories and shoes. But for me, I'm not really, even though I said I like all those items, because I was thinking back when I set this up that they could send me something that was really cool, which I still think they could. But some of the prices on these items are not cheap. I'd say they're a little on the high end. So for me, I have to really, really like the item in order to purchase it. It is $20 to get the box. However, that goes into the item that you may purchase or keep. If not, that $20 just kind of goes with you. If you do purchase the whole box, you get, I think it's 15% off for purchasing everything that your stylist chose. And you do have the option of messaging your stylist to say if you're going to an event or what you like or whatever you want to say. You can also, now they've changed it since I got my first one, where you can go online and say what you're returning and what you're not, and what you liked about each item and what you didn't. So that may be why this box was better for me than the previous two. But anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and show you the items and what I like and don't like about them, and we'll go from there. So this first item is a sweater. It is navy blue with white stripes, and it has a curved hem, full-length sleeves, and it is super cozy and really cute. And we are in fall here in Georgia, so I may need this in a slightly heavier coat through the whole winter, and I'll be fine. But I really liked it. I thought it was adorable, and yeah, so I really like that one. The next item, I really, really like this shirt, but I'm really trying to get away from florals because I have so many florals. But I really thought that this is cute. So it is a tank, kind of. It does have these little sleeves, but they just hang here. It does have a cutout. I will say, I did say I like to try new things. I'm not afraid of showing off any parts of my body. But everything has cutouts. They send so many items with cutouts in them, and I'm not really sure, like, I'm looking for some variety, maybe a little less cutout. But this is really cute. However, this is like rayon or some material like that, and it's not stretchy. So it is very tight over my bra area, depending on, oh, now we've got both cats, depending on the bra that I wear. So I'm not going to be keeping this one because I don't want to have to think about, oh, I have to find that one bra that squeezes them puppies in a little tighter instead of wearing like my sports bra, which is a more relaxed fit. So even though I do love this shirt, because of the material and the fit, bye Nar, I'm not going to be keeping it. The next item is this gray 3/4 length sleeved, just a regular t-shirt. It's very lightweight. It does have another cutout. Now this cutout is like here on my arm shoulder area, and I don't really like that. That possibly is because in the accident I had a few weeks ago, we were in a car accident. My car got hit and totaled. I had quite a lot of bruising right here on my shoulder. I still have some bruising there on my shoulder. And now I feel like I'm a little more self-conscious about my shoulder, which seems weird, but I don't know. Anyway, so it is a cute shirt. It is longer in the back and shorter in the front. It fit really well. It was really comfortable. However, it's just a plain gray tee. Oh, let me tell you the prices too. That may make more sense on why I'm not keeping some of these. So just for this plain gray t-shirt, it's $48 for this t-shirt. And for me, that's a lot of money. So, no to the t-shirt. This shoulder top was $36. This sweater is $44. Okay. If you do purchase everything in your box, you do get a 15% discount, and the box is $20 to get. That does go towards your item, so if I did choose to purchase one of these, instead of $48, it would be $28, etc. So I do like to purchase one item, otherwise I feel like I paid $20 to look at some clothes and send them back. So I think that's kind of how they get you. But anyway, this next item is the item I've already worn like 3 times, and I got this box a couple of days ago, but I love this dress. It is a black knit dress. It is, it comes down just above my knee. It's a really great length. Sorry, there's already cat hair on it. As you can see, they don't leave me alone. It has this really cool arm cutout detail that I love. It is so neat, and I feel it's not on my shoulder, it's down my arm, so I like that more than the shoulder. It is so cozy and so comfortable, and I feel very witchy in it, and since it's October, I think it's appropriate. I love it. I've been pairing it with all sorts of fun things. I think it is great. So that's my favorite item out of this whole box. My last item I was really excited about, and I'm really sad that I don't like them, but they are leggings that have an actual zipper and button, but they're still legging material, and they're ultra stretchy and comfortable. And they're army green. I love a good colored pant. I just love them so much. But they're too long on me, which is the first time I've ever said that in my entire life. They pile at the end of my foot and like this much extra. And I'm 5'8", and usually have to get extra longs in my pants anyway. So I don't know. This is Liverpool brand. I don't know why they're so long. They are slightly high-waisted. They're so comfortable. I was so sad. The other thing is, because they're high-waisted and they have all this like real kind of thought it was going to be a real pocket. It faked me out. It's like a 1/4 of an inch pocket. Because it's got, you know, some details here, I did try to wear this with a shirt over it and then this tucked into a boot so you wouldn't really notice it. But this just made my belly look lumpy, and that's where most of my, get it, Minnie? That's where most of my weight is, so I didn't want to emphasize a lumpy belly by wearing these. So sadly, these are going back, and these, what are you doing? These jeans or pants are $78. So, the stylist had such cute pairings for these, and I really, really liked it. And you get a note from your stylist on what they think you should style it and how they think you should wear it. So it's great. I really like the company. I haven't had like huge amounts of success, but I feel like, hey, let's not do that on camera. Thanks. But I feel like as we go along, they're getting to know my style better, and I don't know, I really like it. It's kind of fun. I used to get, so here is the first item. This was the 3/4 length cutout shoulder top. Like I said, I liked it. I just don't feel like I'm gonna pay $48 for it. And here are the jeans. This is what I was talking about. If I wore a top over them, they just make me look lumpy. And the ankle, there's just so much extra fabric here. I really do like them though, but I might go look at Liverpool's company and see what they have available. So let me switch into the next outfit. And then here's the next top. These are mine. And it is really cute, and it's not restricting on my arms, but right here is really restricted and pretty uncomfortable. I do think it's cute. It does have a little cutout and button in the back, but I I'm not gonna pay $50 for a shirt that I don't 100% love, and I'd have to be fighting my bra all the time because the area where you hide it is really tiny. So anyway, here's the second item. Here's the next item. This is the blue pullover sweater, and I love it. It's comfortable, it's long, it's cozy, it's blue. I don't know. It's great. It's really comfortable. And here's the last item. This is the cutout dress that I love. This is so comfortable, and I just think it's really cute and cozy, and it's knit feeling, and I just love this little detail. I think it's really adorable. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a magical day.